Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. A font can say a lot about your presentation, a video, or whatever else you're creating. Now we're going to jump into Canva and I'm going to show you how to upload a font from your device and create completely unique designs. So let's get into it. So from the homepage of canva.com, you can go ahead now and you can see on the left-hand side, you will have brand. Now, once you go into brand, you will be able to create a new brand kit. So we're going to go over to the right-hand side and click on add new. Additionally, if you already have a brand kit, you can go down to the brand kit over here and you can just open it up. You can see as you scroll down, you will see fonts, and on the right-hand side, you can tap on add new. From here, you can add a new text style. You can also upload a font. Now, this is where we need to be. And once you open this, you will see uploaded fonts, and you can choose a file from here on your desktop. The second way of doing this is actually going into a design. Now, I've opened up this design, and we're going to go ahead and select one of the fonts. As you can see, the font style is up at the top of the page, and if you open this drop-down menu, you'll go all the way down to the bottom of this drop-down menu and you can see upload a font. The same process will happen from here. You can go ahead and upload this font from your device. Now, if this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, you can share it with a friend, and we will see you next time. Peace.